Marine. History and experience in shipping. Our products are at home on the high seas since WAGO has been a reliable partner for marine engineering for decades. Applications with our components are found on luxury liners, ferries, as well as tugs, tankers, and container ships. We also cover the offshore sector. This is based on a broad range of classifications from the IACS group and EX approvals. From the bridge to the engine room, we serve virtually any application on ships with our components, and thus make them safer and more environmentally friendly. Discover WAGO's expertise in marine technology. We can show you which industrial process and building applications we cover. Come on board.